I got it. This is important. Ah! We got Queen City Rocks coming up on Thursday, the final. Like, that's it. We're gonna name the most awesome local band in Regina. The most awesome one. So we have to pick the order of the bands performing this Thursday at the Exchange. So, got our lovely host here, Megan, rolling the big thing. I don't really know what it is. I don't know what it is. All right, and I guess if you don't like the order, this is on me. So, fingers crossed you like it. All right, do I just
You got it.
open her up and do this, or? Okay, wait. Do I just do this? Is this what we do here?
Yeah, that's yeah. Up first.
Magnetic.
Magnetic.
Number 1. So if you're not cool with that, Magnetic,
Love our little footballs that we tape things to, hey?
you can come find me if you don't like the order.
See, we do it this way, that way we can chuck them.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
Oh yeah, you can chuck them after you draw them.
Nice.
Yeah.
Number 2, Empire Choir. Woo woo!
Look at that spiral.
Nice. Did I hit anyone?
Just
All right, let's try to hit someone next time. And next we've got number 3. Ooh, Prop Planes.
give her a hug.
To you, Grant? Oh.
What? I'm holding the camera.
That was a bad one. That was a bad throw.
Okay.
All right, final 2 here. This is important. Fur Eel. It's number 4.
Okay. So I step out of the way.
And then that leaves what? What does that leave? What do we got? Who do we forget about? Oh yeah, Indigo Joseph. Last. They say last is the best. Is that true? I guess we're gonna find out
Yeah.
on Thursday. Woo! Aw.
Greg Morgan, everybody.
Yay!
Woo! We will see you on Thursday at the Exchange. Sorry, was that?